Welcome to physics class. Now, in this class, we discuss about principle of method of mixture. What is the statement of principle of method of mixture? Principle of method of mixture is statement is the net heat lost by the net heat lost by hotter body is equal to the net heat gained by colder body. This statement is called principle of method of mixture. Okay, students, once again, the net heat lost by hotter body is equal to the net heat gained by colder body is called statement of principle of method of mixture. Students, here we take different temperatures of two bodies A and body B. Both bodies, they must have different temperatures. That is, one is hotter body and a high temperature body. Second one is low temperature body. And that is second is the colder body. Now, these two bodies are put in thermal contact. What happens? We notice that the heat is transferred from hotter body to colder body. That is object A to object B. The heat is the transfer. Up to that, both bodies they attain the same degree of hotness or the same degree of coldness. This is called thermal equilibrium. And both bodies to get in the thermal equilibrium up to the process of heat is transfer from hotter body to colder body. When does the both bodies are attained the thermal equilibrium? At that time, there is no transfer of the heat from one body to the other body because of thermal equilibrium means both bodies they have same degree of hotness or the same degree of the coldness. Yeah, the hotter bodies lose the heat energy and the cold bodies gain that heat energy. How much the amount of heat is lost by the hot body is equal to the amount of heat is gained by that cold body. This statement is called the principle of method of mixture. Okay, students, next one we take 100 ml of water in a beaker. 100 ml of water take in a beaker. Now the beaker is heated up to that 90 degrees Celsius temperature. 90 degrees Celsius temperature. Next one, second case, we take 200 ml of water into another beaker. Now this water is heated up to the temperature 6 degrees Celsius. 6 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, students, once again, we take 100 ml water in beaker. This water is heated up to the temperature 90 degrees Celsius. Next one case, we take 200 ml water in other beaker. This beaker is heated up to the temperature 6 degrees Celsius. Now, this water is mixed in a large beaker. What could you expect the temperature of the mixer? Once again, the water from these two beakers is poured in a large beaker. That is the mix this water from these two bakers in a large beaker. What could be expected the temperature of the mixer? And what is that the final temperature of the mixer? We say the answer. We can expect that the temperature of mixer, it is that less than the temperature of a hotter body and greater than colder body. Once again, the temperature of a mixer is less than from that water sample, and the temperature of mixer is greater than the colder body. Like how can you find out the temperature? How can you find out the final temperature? The final temperature is find out by with the help of the formula T is equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Here capital T is that the temperature of mixer. Temperature of mixer or final temperature. Last one, M1 is the mass of M1 is the mass of object. The mass of object 1. M2 is the mass of object 2. That is the second object mass. T1 is equal the temperature of first body, the temperature of first object. T2 is the temperature of second object. Okay, students, how can you find out, how can you measure the temperature of mixer or the final temperature? We can use the formula T is equal M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Here capital T is the temperature of mixer or the final temperature. M1 is the mass of object 1, M2 is the mass of object 2, T1 is the temperature of first object, T2 is the temperature of second object. Okay, students, so now based on that, the final temperature of mixer, we can solve some problems. Students, yeah, now take 100 ml of water, 90 degrees Celsius, and 200 ml of water at 6 degrees Celsius, and mix the two. What is the temperature of mixer? What is the temperature of mixer? Here, in given that 100 ml of water is taken in a beaker, this beaker is heated up to temperature 9 degrees Celsius, and to take 200 ml of water in other beaker, the water is heated up to temperature 6 degrees Celsius. Now the water from these two beakers is mixed in a large beaker. What is the final temperature of the mixer? How can you find out? We know that we can use the formula final temperature T is equal M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Here M1 is the mass of first object. The mass of first object is 100 ml. That is 100 grams. Next one, M2 is equal the mass of water in second beaker 200 ml. That is 200 grams. Next one, T1 is equal temperature of water is heat in first beaker 90 degrees Celsius. Next one, temperature T2 is equal second beaker 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, what is the given? M1 value is given 100 grams, M2 is given 200 grams, T1 is given 90 degrees Celsius, T2 is given 6 degrees Celsius. These values are substituted in this equation. We get T is equal Mn 100 into temperature T1 is 90 plus M2 is 200 into T2 is 60 by M1 100 plus 200 is equal 100 into 90 and 90 100 joules is equal 9000 plus 200 into 60 200 joules 12,000 by 100 plus 200 is 300 9,000 plus 12,000 by adding addition we get that 12,000 plus 9,000 will get 21,000 by 300 here 0 0 0 0 cancel. The 3 table is cancelled 7 times 70 is equal to 70 degrees Celsius. Therefore, hence the temperature of mixer T is equal to 70 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, once again, what is the given here? M1 is equal 100 grams, M2 is equal to 200 grams, T1 is 90 degrees Celsius, T2 is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. These values are substituted in this equation. We get the answer. T is equal 100 into 90 plus 200 into 60 by 100 plus 200. 90 100 joules 9,000 plus 60 200 joules 12,000 by 100 plus 200 300. The addition of 9,000 plus 12,000 21,000 by 100 300. 0 0 0 cancel. The 3 table is cancelled 210 70 times. Therefore, as the final temperature of mixer T is equal to 70 degrees Celsius. Passing. Questions next one. Look at board. What would be the final temperature of a mixer of 50 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 50 grams of water at 40 degrees Celsius temperature? What is the given here? Mass M1 is equal 50 grams, M2 is equal 50 grams. Next one, T1 is equal 40 degrees Celsius temperature, T2 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, students, what is the given in the given problem? Mixture of 50 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 50 grams of water at 40 degrees Celsius temperature. And here M1 is equal 50 grams, M2 is 50 grams, T1 is equal to higher temperature 40 degrees Celsius, T2 is equal to lower temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Had comparable 20 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius is the higher temperature, 20 degrees is the lower temperature. That's why the T1 value is taken as higher temperature 40 degrees Celsius, T2 is the lower temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Wow, what is the given? You have to find out that the final temperature. We use that formula. Final temperature T is equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Now these values are substituted. 50 into T1 is 40 plus M2 is 50 into T2 is 20 by M1 plus M2. 50 plus 50. Now 50 40 joules is equal to 50 40 joules 2000 plus 50 20 joules 1000 by 50 plus 50 100. Okay, the addition of 2000 plus 1000 3000 by 100. Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. We'll get the answer 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, final temperature T is equal. The final temperature mixer T is equal 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, students, it is very important problems. How can you find out the final temperature of the mixer? The final temperature of the mixer is find out. We can use the formula T is equal M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. T is that the final temperature of the mixer. M1 is the mass of the first object. M2 is the mass of the second object. T1 is the temperature of the first object. T2 is the temperature of the second object. Generally, T1 is taken as higher temperature. T2 is taken as a lower temperature. Okay, friends. Okay, students. This is the very important formula. Asking the questions based on this formula is given to that problems. So everybody, students, to practice these two problems based on this formula, have to find out that the final temperature of the mixer. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue next class.